Hi everyone, just a quick video so that you know how to sign into your live learning sessions. In your home page on the left side is a list of links. You'll click on the live learning link right here. The live learning link will take you to a live learning website here and lots of information here. It's important that you use your University Arizona Global Campus email when you're registering, okay? So if you need to set up a Zoom account, you will click on this link to do that, okay? And once that is done, you can go down to the live learning calendar and I'll click this link. You choose which live learning session you want to be a part of. You click on it to register and it'll say click here to register. So I click there. It tells you the times and the time zones. And then you'll just fill in this little form, okay? So you'll put your first name, your last name. This is your Arizona University Global Campus email address. It goes here and here as well. And then you'll click there to register. And then you should be all set to go. Easy peasy.